This is the l sound. The letter L by itself, the letters L and L together, or the letters L and E make the l sound in a word. Let's have a look at some real words that contain the l sound. Special friends, t and l. Fred talk, l, I, t, l, little. Special friends, l and d. Fred talk, f, I, l, d, filled. Special friends, p and l. Fred talk, a, p, l, s, apples. Special friends, l and ng. Fred talk, w, I, l, I, ng, willing, willing. Special friends, l. Fred talk, s, I, p, l, simple. Now let's have a look at some alien words that contain the l sound. Special friends, sh and l. Fred talk, sh, a, l, ip, shallip, shallip. Special friends, k and l. Fred talk, g, a, k, l, gackle. Special friends, l and Fred talk, j, I, l, giller. Special friends, ch and ng and l. Fred talk, ch, I, ng, l, chingle.